Health is the greatest wealth, and staying active is the key to unlock it.
With yoga, we develop strength and flexibility.
I believe fitness is not a solo journey.
It's something we do together as a family. To help you kickstart your yoga journey, I'm making my yoga and meditation course for beginners freely available on Udemy. Swami Vivekananda said every soul is potentially divine, and the goal is to manifest the divinity by conquering the nature, both external and internal. Yoga helps us do just that. Yoga is not just for the physical body, but for the mind and spirit. Yes, we can maintain a healthy body, healthy mind, but we can even dive deeper to know our true nature and enjoy the state of bliss by doing yoga. This is Bharat Tippi Reddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor. I was introduced to yoga by Vivekananda Kendra, Kanyakumari, and since then it has become a part of my life and family. I'm also a Indian government certified yoga teacher and I have been teaching yoga for the last 5 years. You can do yoga at the comfort of your home without any equipment. You can easily build a 30-minute to 1 hour yoga routine and kickstart your day. Or you can do yoga at the end of a busy day as well. We will start this course by learning what yoga really is. You will then start your yoga routine with loosening exercises or Sithilikarana Vyayama. You will learn the 10 steps to practice Surya Namaskaras, the mantras you should chant before every Surya Namaskara, and you will practice 6 Surya Namaskaras along with me. You will relax using the quick relaxation technique and then move on to asanas. You will learn the physical, mental, and spiritual benefits of various asanas and practice them along with me, starting with the standing asanas, the sitting asanas, the abdominal asanas, and the supine postures. Prana is the life force behind everything in the universe. Through pranayama techniques, you will learn how to control that prana and calm the mind down. At this point, you are ready for meditation and to enjoy the blissful state of what you really and always are. You will also learn various relaxation techniques to increase your awareness and to have a great day and great night's sleep as well. I will also show you how to maintain a spiritual diary to track your progress. You can also teach what you learn to your family members as well as friends.